On July 20th, 1969, the U.S. landed on the moon.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Oh, that looks beautiful from here. It has a stark beauty all its own. It's like much of the high desert of the United States. It's different, but it's very pretty out here.
My topic was when the U.S. first landed on the moon. My thesis is the presence of physical moon rocks, photographic evidence, and personal accounts of the U.S. moon landing proves that the U.S. indeed landed on the moon. The most interesting thing I learned about the moon landing of the U.S. was that we were the first country to have a person walk on the moon in space in our solar system. That was a big step for the world because no one had ever done that before. I have proved my thesis by finding many articles about how they brought back many rocks that were unable to be found on Earth. I also proved this by visual evidence of the landing and takeoff, as well as when they were actually walking on the moon and conversing with people back at Earth. Lastly, I proved my thesis by personal account. President Nixon's phone calls with Armstrong on the moon, Aldrin being the co-pilot of Armstrong, and just Armstrong being there alone. Every minute of their 2.5 hours on the moon was scheduled precisely. Their work included collecting rock and soil samples and taking numerous photographs of the lunar surface. They also took time to set up numerous experiments on the moon, such as setting up a laser beam reflector to measure the distance to the moon from Earth. This reflector is still used today for scientific experiments. The moon landing changed our country today for the better. It made our country, the United States of America, the first country to put humans onto the moon. This was a technological achievement which solidified the U.S. as the leader in the world. The astronauts left the U.S. flag as the first flag to fly on the moon to mark our achievement.